A family in Radcliffe is leaning on their community after a fire destroyed their home on Sunday morning in the middle of the winter storm.
Norman Seawright shows us the damage. He says the family is grateful no one was hurt.
The Moran family says they were trying to enjoy a relaxing evening and ride out this snowstorm, but all of that was interrupted when their house caught fire.
The traumatizing of it, just to wake up, or just to be awake and just to be relaxing, and all of a sudden your entire life just turns upside down in a matter of moments.
Kevin Moran was in the living room with their baby when he noticed heavy smoke from the fireplace and from the vents.
Threw a pitcher of water in that, and next thing I know, I hear crackling in the walls, and I knew it was time to get out.
The Radcliffe Fire Department responded just after 9 a.m. on Sunday and got the fire under control in an hour. By then, this was all that was left. The roof had burned away, leaving the upper floor exposed to the elements.
With everything freezing and then melting and then refreezing, and everything's melting inside the house. The floors are popping up. The toilets are kind of like exploding because it's filled with water and it's freezing.
Kevin and his wife Alexandria are thankful that everyone escaped safely, children and pets.
It's pretty terrible for me because I was kind of worried that all my stuff catch on fire, but thank God that I lived in basement. I was very happy about that.
I had this like Sonic stuffed animal that I would like sleep with.
He's had it since he was a baby.
Hey, I had one. I have one too. But they're even more grateful for friends, co-workers, and neighbors. They've brought food, diapers, and clothing to the hotel where they're staying while they work to rebuild. So at least in one small way, Kevin's trying to pay it forward to their neighbor.
The neighbors next door to us, they were amazing. They come out, they were the ones that let us sit in their car. That's why I'm shoveling her driveway for her.
In the middle of a traumatic event like this, the Moran family says they're very grateful to their community for helping them out. And if you want to do the same, we've got a link for you on our website to help you do that. In Radcliffe, Norman Seawright, WLKY.